still understand why una two carry me come celebrate like this o.
How many times you wan make I talk am? Na you be coach of the month.
Na lie, him be coach of the season.
You see am? Abeg chop life.
But how I take be coach of the month or even coach of the season when month or season never even finish?
You know wetin e mean to draw Guardiola for him home?
Him draw the guy home and away far.
The way una two dey take talk, I dey suspect you now. E be like say una poison this food.
Why you dey talk like that now? No be us go follow you chop.
The thing na say, e no easy for relegation. Sorry, team like your own to collect points from Guardiola for Etihad.
Na remarkable something be that.
No think say because of this food wey una buy give me, I go come pity you for a Carabao Cup fixture next Sunday. We be Chelsea, we dey jam anything wey enter our road comot.
No worry, just enjoy life now first. We don snatch points comot for our common enemy hand. If Sunday reach, we go see how we go take negotiate that one.
I no dey negotiate anything o. Na me dey leave that trophy.
No problem.
And you Arteta, I no go pity you for a fixture next month o.
You no go leave future impossible things make e dey where e dey abi? See food wey dem buy give you chop, you still dey talk.
But no worry, you go brush am go one side join. Na you be the main man now.
Say club, e be like say dem never knack you yash of gun before. Make you dey talk for yourself o. Which one be say him go brush me go one side? With this him championship team.
Na what to you o? Na everything you go dey threaten with gun? You no fit just close mouth make we celebrate this Guardiola loss of points finish first. Then after you fit do with am anything wey you want for that una London.
So na because I don give una opportunity to top table, na him make una dey do this thing abi? If no be say food don cost for market, I for don stand up comot for this nonsense table.
Abeg close mouth chop food joor. You manage draw Guardiola. You come think say you fit brush everybody comot.
In pursuit of the Scudetto, that is, as we dey pursue Scudetto go where we no know. 1xbet comot plenty prizes for us to win if we bet for Serie A matches. As usual, you know say you suppose register with our promo code GNEXT first to get 300% bonus for your first deposit. After that one, go find the offer page where them they call In Pursuit of the Scudetto. Bet on top Serie A matches to gather points. Collect the Scudettos inside all the divisions for your points to take gather tickets for the prize draws. Now then you go fit win better prizes. Use the link take register. Lead their T&Cs and do not forget to bet with sense. Good luck.
Oga Serie and Oga Guardiola, una welcome.
Thank you, Kubala.
Kubala. Guardiola, I hear say toothless Chelsea put Sansan for your galley last Saturday. What thing happen now? Hope say you never kill all your boys.
Me, I hear say Bologna put Gary inside your Sansan. How it happen now?
So, because I ask you simple question, you da vex like say na me give Haaland Miss World Nunes lotion to love. Make I tell you something, no be you go carry APA this season. Every day for the farmer, one day for the worker.
Which kind nonsense could be that one?
Speaking about one day for the worker, Leverkusen don't extend their league lead after Bayern lose again, this time to 11th place Bochum. And as it take B, Upamecano cost PK again, can't collect red card. Oga sorry, wetin reason they worry Bayern, as na you knock them for Champions League last week?
Make you no equate my knocking with that Bochum knocking or because me, I show them how to play better ball as I dey knock them. Meanwhile, on the other hand, we dey privileged to dey alive to witness the second coming of the Maguire syndrome. This time, under the guises of Maguire. I for like see more of him for our Champions League second leg, but because of him red card, that one no go happen.
Oga Guardiola, wetin you make of the possibility say Bayern fit go trophyless this season? You get anything to do with Tottenham or Hurricane?
I don dey talk this thing since. Tuchel no sabi coach. Wetin him sabi do na to dey spoil people run. Now wey they don give am team at the top, him don dey go trophyless. He no get anything to do with Hurricane or Tottenham.
Oga sorry, what of Xabi Alonso and Leverkusen? Dem still dey unbeaten for all competitions this season. You feel say this na their year of glory?
I just thank God say them know the Champions League this season because I no know how I go take handle them if to say I jam them. I no know whether na a bit of shaker or the bush kabash wey Xabi they give those him boys to link. The kind powers those boys get na only God sabi where them they carry am go.
Arsenal don come back with vengeance for the title. Dem don score 25 goals in 7 matches. Dem dey on fire now. Oga Guardiola, how far you feel say dem fit sustain this their hotness?
I dey wait for them for Etihad. We get plenty fire extinguishers there. We go off the fire, off the smoke join. You no go even know say them been dey hot.